Good afternoon and welcome to Friday's Stream Team update. As you can see, I'm not Dave Pickburn. He's given me the responsibility or the honour of doing today's update from a very wet, very grey and very miserable Cheltenham. Dave's organising the Stream Team summer party, which hopefully the weather will be a little bit better tomorrow. But welcome to the English summer. Before I sort of introduce a couple of new bits of functionality that we're putting into Stream next week, I thought purely from a marketing perspective, I'm really looking forward to attending Hypergrowth London with my colleague Zoe Pickburn, which is taking place at the old Billingsgate in London, and this has been organised by Drift, who we've been using on our website, the little live chat widget that pops up, and you can see my face for radio when you visit the Stream website. But it's been a fantastic tool for us to enable us to talk, have conversations with prospects, or people visiting the website who just want to find out a little bit more about Stream and how it can help their business. I am a huge fan, which produces quite a lot of ribbing within the Stream team. But anyway, in terms of new bits of functionality on Stream, we've got new resource schedule that's going live next week, and that's within Stream Go, which gives a visual calendar-based overview of driver and vehicle availability within operations. Just to make sure that businesses can manage their resource allocation and utilisation a little bit more effectively. And also we're putting in a little bit of extra features and functionality at line item level, enabling companies to add notes and instructions there. That's it from me. Hopefully Dave won't mind potentially me doing another Friday update at a later date. But I'm sure Dave will be back next week. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.